Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial on how to delete all chats including media in WhatsApp. If you're someone who uses WhatsApp frequently, you know how important it is to keep your chats organized. Deleting all your chats can be overwhelming, but don't worry. We're here to help you with some quick and easy steps to delete all your WhatsApp chats. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp settings. The first step to delete all your WhatsApp chats is to open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open a menu. From there, tap on Settings, which is usually the last option in the menu. Step 2. Go to Chat History, scroll down to the Chats option, and then scroll down again to Chat History, which is usually the last option. Tap on it to access the chat history settings. Step 3. Delete all chats. Next, tap on Delete all chats with the trashcan icon. Make sure to tick the Also Delete Media Received in these chats option to delete all the media you received in your chats as well. Finally, tap on Delete Chats to confirm. Step 4. Wait for deletion. Wait a few seconds while WhatsApp deletes all your chats and media. Once the process is complete, all your chats and media will be deleted. And that's it. You now know how to delete all your chats, including media in WhatsApp. By following these steps, you can keep your chats organized and reduce the clutter in your WhatsApp account. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.